Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Tuesday, the 23rd of December. This is our daily recap. First of all, if you're not joining us tomorrow, I'm wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate, and happy joy and peace for the rest of the year. Tomorrow is a half-day session as the market close at 1. I will open up the room, trade for a little bit, go run some errands, and come back and spend it to the close with you guys there and see what we get. Thursday, the markets are closed. Friday is a mixed bag day. I'll probably work in the morning and then probably take the afternoon off. And then Saturday at noon, we have our 2026 Outlook and Names I Like webinar. So don't miss that. Put that on your calendar. So let's talk the SPY here. You got a nice move up here, 3 green days in a row. And, those shorts got trapped last week, and here we are. We had some mixed data today, whether it was GDP and durable goods that were contradictory to each other. Doesn't matter. The market really doesn't care here, and here we are pushing. And even if we don't get a rate cut in January, the market's fine. We are less than $2 away from the all-time high, very, very close on the SPY. The IWM, not its day, a little weaker. The Dow having a decent day. The Q's, a nice day there, still well off the all-time high of 637.01. The banks gave another day here, day 3 here, new extension. We talked about not chasing some, but JP Morgan, we talked about that one this morning. For those of you guys who traded, new all-time highs. Citigroup, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, all new all-time highs as well. Goldman and Morgan Stanley are lagging here. Interesting names like SoFi, since that offering, have not been able to wake back up yet. Energy's having a nice little bounce day, but I don't read too much into it. XVI also just off the highs. Novo Nordisk, a big day. They announced that they got approval to bring out their weight loss pill instead of doing injections. Nice little move on that one. If you're asking what it was about today was about names. And NVIDIA, boy, did it have a day. Yesterday, it gapped up, didn't want to go. And here it burst through the 50-day. It's on the highs of the day. And boy, if you're looking for a name that could run into the end of the year, this one looks like it could get itself up towards that 196 area. AMD not participating. Avgo up a little bit, needs to clear that 8-day. Micron, all-time highs, but not doing much. Intel continues to languish along with names like ARM. They just don't want them right now. It's very specific, the names they want here at the moment. When you talk about big cap tech, the name where I traded today, and I was all over Amazon right on the open. You have a nice breakout candle here on Amazon trying to break out of this range and break back to the upside. I would love to get it back to all-time highs. I still think this is your stock is well positioned, but we'll take for what it's worth. I'm still long of the stock for a while now. Traded it well with stock and options today, still sitting in some. I'm in January calls, and we'll see if this thing can push itself back up here. It would make sense to be able to come up, test this 235 area, maybe even test this candle area up here around the 240 area. We are supposed to get data from them on Friday morning about their Christmas sales. What else today? We talked about that. Meta back up towards that area, but not doing anything. Google gave a nice move today, breaking back to the upside. That looks like it can run up to all-time highs. Palantir held in, didn't do much, but overall holding. Crypto names continue to be weak as Bitcoin continues to struggle. Hood out of play again another day. Microsoft just kind of hanging out. Apple, again, the same thing, just kind of hanging out. They just don't have the strength. Bottom line, it's about a name of market of names. And, if you're in the right name, you're going to make money. Tesla yesterday at all-time high, couldn't hold it, pushed back. And today you get a little bit of a red candle. Not the end of the world, still holding the 8-day. It just wasn't ready to go. So less is more in a market like this. Remember, the action's slow. When we talk about today, actually more volume than I expected today. But, look at the volume we had last week and look where we're at here. And tomorrow, it's going to be a very low volume day and very few people on. So keep that in mind. But I will be here with you guys. And again, wishing you guys all the happiest of holidays and catch you live in the morning